You have a drop-down menu added to the header navigation on your Squarespace website, and now you need an arrow to indicate that it is a drop-down menu. Thanks to a new update from Squarespace, you no longer need CSS to be able to achieve this. Hi, I'm Bryan with Abound Web Design, and I'm going to show you today just how easy it is within Squarespace to be able to add those drop-down menu arrows so that people no longer think it's just another navigation link. All right, so we're over here on my demo website, and I'm going to show you just how easy this is. First thing you're going to want to do, you can see here, I've got a drop-down menu added for this About item on the header navigation. So we got an Our Story, Meet the Team, and FAQs pages set up that are within that drop-down folder. If you go into Pages right here, you can see this set up in the main navigation. But to get the arrow added, all you're going to have to do is go into Edit Mode and then click on Edit Site Header. And then if you'll hover over the navigation links and then click the pencil to edit them and then go into Design, you see here there's no icon now, but you can hit that drop down arrow, ironically, and you can pick from any of these arrows or dots, indicators, icons that Squarespace has available natively. We are going to add this basic down arrow here. Now, you'll see once you do that, and then you click off that menu there, you have all kinds of options here for the style. You have size, thickness, spacing, and roundness. And so you can play with this and adjust how large you'd like for the icon to be, and then the thickness of it. And then the spacing is going to determine how far away from, in this case, About that it is. And so that the title of the drop-down menu. And then you can, right now it's the sharp edges, but you can make it curved as well. And once you get it how you like, all you had to do is click off that, click Save, and then Exit. And you can see now, even like whenever you hover over it, it flips to indicate that it's opened and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that when it comes to adding an arrow beside your drop-down menu in your header navigation on Squarespace now. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.